Shout out to everybody. I'm mad as hell. I was just talking for about 5 minutes and I wasn't even live, but it is what it is. I got the spy chart pulled up. I got my chart marked up from yesterday's high and low. We're looking like we're about to break out of that range from yesterday's high. All-time high being 776.70. Um, I don't know. We'll see. Now I am needing about 10 more subscribers so I could be able to go live. Do something other than StreamYard. This way, when it's full screen, you could turn your phone sideways and you can actually see the entire chart. But, you got to make it do what it do, how you do it. So we're in a supply zone right now. This red shaded box. And RSI is pretty high. It's at 71. And this mouse just pulling up all type of information on the side. So what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to get a fake false breakout, at least on the SPY. Shauna's in the building. Lady Mysterious is in the building. Thank y'all for tuning in. I figured I would go live before I went live. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but yeah. Whew. I don't like using StreamYard for stocks. Next up, we're going to go to QQQ. Traveling and listening. I appreciate you. Lashana, you know the vibes. I appreciate you. So again, the shaded box is going to be by yesterday's high and my yesterday's low. So on QQQ, those that don't know, QQQ was like the ETF, exchange traded fund for tech stocks. So that is probably in the middle of the range. We in a small supply zone up top. This little short red box. I don't think we're going to do much, probably unless we get a bounce back to this red line here, which is the 200 moving average. I can't say it's the daily moving average because we on a 15-minute zone. So, whatever, it is what it is. Let's pull up my next stock I'm looking at, NVIDIA. NVIDIA makes microchips and whatever type of stuff. Yesterday's high is there. Yesterday's low is there. NVIDIA might break out. So previous high is 225.26. We at 224.96 right now, give or take. So I'm not bullish on it at all. I'm thinking that this is going to do a false breakout also, meaning it might look like it's going to keep running and then it's just going to swoop. They call that a rug pull. 9:25. We got 5 more minutes before the market opens. And last but not least, Tesla. Oh, I got a love-hate relationship with Tesla. Tesla. Let me mark my high and my low of the day, previous day, which is probably can't even see none of that. It's this black area here. That's the time that the market was open. The blue area is from 4 to 8, which is called after hours. And then this olive green shaded area is going to be pre-market, which is from 4 in the morning until the market opens at 9:30. The Eastern Standard Time. I know it's people that's in different time zones and whatnot. So what I'm seeing for Tesla is that we're down near the bottom of the range from yesterday. This white line. Oh, I'm gonna try to make sure everybody can see. This white line is the VWAP, which is volume weighted average price. A lot of traders use this to, base where the stock price is going off of that. And we've basically been rejecting off of it all morning. We had a false breakout here at 4 in the morning. It bounced back and then it tried to break again and came back down beneath it. Another touch and then a bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, and we bouncing back again. So, whew, okay, Tesla. I think I'm going to take a call on Tesla just because of that nice little pop right there. It's 9:27. We got 2 minutes left. I hope you say the only thing that's worrying me with this candle that's forming here is that it's probably going to be a trap. I'm on a 15-minute time frame. That's what the 15 is for. So each of these candles represents 15 minutes of time. If the candle is green, I mean the price closed higher than it opened in the previous 15 minutes. And if it's red, the opposite. So it's looking like if everything runs up at market open, it's probably going to reject off of this red line up here. But we shall see. We shall see. Nine 29, 34 seconds left. Yep. Another pop up. Oh boy. Let's get the app open. We in the supply zone. Might get a bounce off VWAP. Boom, right there. Pull up my order block. Yeah, that's a lot of times with Tesla that be the fake out. So I probably just missed the entry. Let's see. So a 335 car right now is $83, give or take. Nope, that would have been a fake out. See how fast these prices moving? 83, 85, 83, 84. Yep. Now that same option is $103, 101, 98, 97. I could have just made 25% that quick. So even though the price is not moving a whole lot, I know it looks crazy, but we still in the same range. The implied volatility, like with people buying and selling, with the orders filling in, that's gonna make the price worth a whole lot more. What in the world? $116. That fast. Cool 50%. So on my chart, if you saw that green dotted line, that was a change of character. But usually you don't want to try to trade until at least after 15 minutes, unless you're gonna be really quick in and out. Pause. That sounded crazy. Uh, I was going to jump into a play too. That 335 is $120 now, but it stopped at pre-market highs, so it still might possibly break out. Let's see. Let's see. $116. I don't know if I want to spend that much money though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Um, hmm, maybe I'll wait for the breakout, and it broke out. Damn. All right, I'm gonna go for 337. It's at $80, $83, 84, 88. Let's see how much that 335 is. 335 still at 120. Okay, we had a break and we retested, pulled back a little bit more. Probably missed the boat on that one. Nope. I'm gonna jump in and play if it fails. So I jumped into a call at $84 dollars. I definitely should have screen recorded this. $86. Damn. That ain't my problem though. A lot of times I do jump into impulse buys. Yeah, like this game's kind of wicked. $85, 83. So I'm still around break even. There we go. 87, 89. Come on, go touch that 200. I'm up $4 right now. There we go. 91. I'm at 9%. It's fluctuating back and forth. Just so y'all don't think I'm lying. Let me see if y'all can see that. It's fluctuating. But, it is what it is. Go ahead, touch that 200 so I can take my screenshot. A little bit more, 15%. Go ahead. One more push. One more push. Come on. I kill myself with this every time. Every time. Still at 11%, 13%, $11. It's all right. I gotta get ready to go live. This thing just reversed on me. See what I'm saying? Every time. Every time. Now it's 81. Now I'm down $2. There you go. Go ahead back up. Go ahead back up so I can sell this out. Go ahead back up. This is what I do while I'm on the doing my showcases every time. This is what I do. Yep. Probably just smoked myself. There you go. Now I'm gonna have to get another screenshot. Can I get 10% though? There we go. There we go. Back up to 9%. 930. There we go. Bang. Yep. Sell it close. Sell it close. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Okay, 95. So I made what, $11? Not too shabby. Quick scalp. And I'm good since I can't watch the charts. 18 minutes in. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And I'll see you guys on my other channel in a few minutes. Thank you for tuning in.